Well, sorry, I haven't been doing a good job updating this project. I've been kind of busy. But I have found some time to get down here and make some decent forward progress. As you can see, it's starting to look like a complete building almost. I got a lot of the sub-assemblies done, like the window and door assemblies, the exhaust fans, the roof sections, skylights. Apologize for the noise. That's my CW transformer down there running the power supply for the LED lighting. So as you can see, I've got some of the weathering started too. And I've even started working on the interior. I got these industrial radiators installed for the comfort of the workers in here. Got a couple in the machine shop. See if we can focus on the hallway here. So it's gonna be nice and comfy to work in here. So at this point, you know, I'm going through and doing some touch up. I might still clean up a few things, but I'm getting ready to start populating the details in here and the wall signage and stuff like that. So got the window assemblies done. I've been using this Vallejo chipping medium a lot for my painting lately. So these laser cut skylight sections were, you know, primered and then sprayed with the chipping medium. And then I chose to use some Model Masters Oxide Red for the color. This is that chipping medium. I really like using it. This is the color I've been using for the windows and doors. I'm gonna miss these guys. I've been going around and trying to buy out as much of it as I can find just to stock my cabinet. And then I used flat black on the windows. Same painting technique. See if I can get a good shot here. I don't have the best lighting for showing off the subtleties, but same concept. These are laser cuts, so they were just primed. And I use like that Home Depot Rust-Oleum 2X primer. Gray stuff for wood and steel. And then spray it with chipping medium and then spray it with your desired color. And then you can either use a stiff brush with some water and you can get these subtle chipping effects, or you can scrape it with a toothpick or a knife or whatever. So I think it's a neat effect. I used it on the doors and everything. So here's some of the doors. All the doors are actually just press fit and removable. So that's an interior door from the machine shop to the main hall. This is the exterior door for the machine shop. So I tried to make everything removable. That's that nice chipping effect you can get. That's just flat black over primer. And I can just press it in here. I'm trying to do this all one-handed. I'm sorry. This is just me talking into my iPhone again. So anyway, that's the idea with the windows and doors mostly. The roofs are totally removable still. So this is bottom of the roof, and I got these little stoppers to hold it on. So, and I made these guys removable, just these two. These are press fit in here, so I could stick the phone in here and could show you the interior. I guess that'll be pretty cool. It's just press fit. On the windows, I kind of masked them off. I didn't do like an awesome job, but I just masked off a few random panes here and kind of frosted them with a little bit of grimy black just to give you that old industrial window effect. You know, and you could still look through and see the shop, you know, kind of cool. I'm just sticking my iPhone right against the window, and yeah, you can just look into the main hall here. So we're getting there. I'm really looking forward to getting this installed in the layout. So I do have some other projects I want to work on. The roof sections here, I use this paper tape. You can get it anywhere, CVS. You know, I use that for the rolled asphalt roofing, and I lay it out. I cut it to random lengths, kind of overlap it a little bit. I'm trying to remember what I did to this roof, but I think I just primed it and then sprayed it with probably acrylic flat black, and then I kind of dusted it lengthwise with a little bit of grimy black, and then I kind of traced out the seams with some diluted black wash, and did a few streaks here and there, and then the final effect is just to kind of dry brush it over with a very light gray, and gives you a pretty decent rolled roofing effect, I guess. These are his exhaust fans. So I just spray painted them silver, gave them a wash. Been playing around with different weathering techniques, like that rust in the center. I kind of just sponged it on. I use a lot of times. I'll use these tube acrylic paints. Let's go over to my paint bomb area here. Just basic cheap tube acrylics. The black I use for washes, touch up, all kinds of stuff. This is such a great rust color. I'll use this quite a bit. Mix it with black or I got some brown somewhere. Been playing around with some of these cheap craft paints too, for washes and touch up and distressing techniques and stuff. But here's a bunch of parts I have. These are Rusty Rails castings. They're like resin castings, and I usually primer them, and then I sit here for an evening and just kind of paint them, as you can see. These are kind of nice for filling in corners like that. I haven't gotten done painting these yet. This is just like the initial pass. Sometimes I'll spray them over with railroad tie brown and start picking out the details. I've got some signage that I've printed off the internet and resized and stuff like that. I gotta make some exit signs. I think those are a little oversized. So here's a roof section. That's what it looks like. That's the bottom side. So we're getting there. Hopefully next video I'll show you placement of some interior details.